Today we're going to show you how to get started with the Shark PowerDetect Corded Stick Vacuum. This vacuum delivers Shark's ultimate cleaning experience with Detect technology, optimizing your vacuum's performance for all kinds of messes. From cereal to pet hair, Shark's Duo Clean Detect technology digs deep into carpets and directly engages floors to grip and capture hair along with other dirt and debris. The self-cleaning brush roll delivers non-stop hair removal, getting rid of long hair, short hair, and even pet hair from the brush roll. To assemble your Shark PowerDetect, insert the wand into the nozzle until you hear a click. Next, insert the pod into the wand. Again, listen for a click. Snap the onboard storage clip onto the wand. Then place accessories in the holder. Ensure all pieces are snug. Lastly, insert the odor neutralizer technology dial and cartridge into the nozzle and turn until it clicks to your desired level of intensity. Once it's assembled, your Shark PowerDetect is ready to be plugged in and start cleaning. This vacuum comes with several accessories to make cleaning your home easier. Accessories can be stored on the onboard storage clip. The crevice tool provides extended reach into small spaces such as corners and baseboards. The Pet Power Brush powerfully deep cleans dander out of upholstery and other surfaces. Lastly, the Shark PowerDetect comes with an upholstery tool which helps to pick up pet hair from curtains, lampshades, and other delicate fabrics, as well as shelves, tables, and walls. All done cleaning? Just unplug the cord, wrap it around the cord hooks, and store it in your closet. If you're looking for more tips or have additional questions, visit our support site. And don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more guides.